Hi friend, welcome back to new video. In this video I'll be talking about a great feature that can help you to record your computer screen, and this feature is only available on Windows 11. In Windows 11 you might heard about Snipping Tool, which previously we have used it for screenshot anywhere on the computer screen. Let me show you how you can record your computer screen with that Snipping Tool. Click on the Windows and search Snipping Tool. That's it. Select on the Snipping Tool, and here you can see we have camera option and another option that is integrated with Windows 11, and that is the recording option. So let's select on the video, select on the new, and this will ask you to select the area you want to record on your computer screen. So let's select this area, and you can see this option like kindly it's mute. You can choose your microphone that you want to use while you are recording your computer screen. You can also select your system audio sound that you want to record it or not, and then simply you just need to select on the start button. 3 2 1, and this has started. So let's do something on the screen that we can record. For example, let's do refresh. Let's create a new text document. So we've done the writing, so let's save it, close it, and you can do anything in your computer. For example, you can explore file explorer, you can use your browser. Anything you do on the screen, that will be recorded. So that's really amazing. So let me show you how the recording is. Let's do the stop. So let's stop our recording. So now you can see the preview right here of your recording. So that's it. So now if you want to trim your video or delete the unnecessary part from your video, you can also do that. I will show you sometimes else. That's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.